Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how to create a website with ChatGPT. First of all, open ChatGPT and go to the search bar and type or use the voice option. So let's type. We need to create a landing page using HTML and CSS to promote our products, add different features, and make a very good website. Now hit search. Now let it do. As you can see here, it will break down everything and all the section, and the code will be started right here. So this is the HTML code and here is the CSS file. Now to run this website, what you can do is open your Visual Studio Code or any code running software such as Notepad or any other softwares. Now copy the HTML code and save it as .html files, and also create another CSS file and save it as .css files. Now link this CSS file to your HTML code, and after that hit run and your website should run very smoothly. And you can also add many other features using JavaScript and other features. It could be like about page, you could link photos, all by asking ChatGPT, and it will start adding section, and you can just copy that section and paste it in the HTML div file. So in this way you can easily create any website using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you find it very useful.